My name is Maria Smith, and I chose the alteration of genetically modified organisms to make them glow. I chose this because I enjoy and prefer hands-on science. Also, the question if the experiment will be a success or not. This experiment falls into the category of gene engineering. The biggest step of it is adding pGlo, so it will cause a bacterial transformation. It occurs when recombinant DNA is integrated into the bacteria cell, or cells. As a result, once the bacteria is put under a UV light, it will glow. This is gene engineering using plasmids. I think that by over time, the DNA will alter, making it glow under the UV light. I think that under the UV light, a majority of them will glow. Once the E. coli sits overnight, I will be able to see the results to keep moving forward or backwards. This is the start of the experiment where we have to add this mixture to petri dishes. A big part of it is that after the E. coli has shown up, we heat shock and do an ice bath to the pGlo. This is a demonstration of the method. Next, we add plasma and the transformation solution. These are my 8 petri dishes. At first we started out with 8, but then we switched over to a different 4. But then they ended up melting in the incubator, so we had to switch over to these bigger petri dishes. This is kind of like a background on the pGlo plasmid. Lastly, this is a transformation summary. These are my bigger petri dishes that we switched over to in the end. These are my final petri dishes, and surprisingly it was a success of the small amount we had. As you see, the negative only has a tiny speck of glowing because something misaltered or something got where it wasn't supposed to be. And most of the positives all have glowing except the one that didn't have pGlo. We left the mixture to sit overnight with the E. coli in the incubator. Next, we added the pGlo for it to sit overnight in the incubator. The positive pGlo ended up glowing under the UV light, so it was a success. This is me, and I hope you enjoyed my science fair project. A huge shout out to Mr. Stuvey for letting me use his science room and guiding me along the way. Thanks for watching.